baby for the R-5000. Fully redacted by Steve Carell on the latest Millions movie. Pakistani British author Kamala Shamsi on creating a sense of place. Ethan Hawke talks about acting with a mask. And we have a live performance from Nigerian superstar. Next, it's Wednesday here on the BBC World Service, the world's radio station.
It's 5 o'clock in London. Hello and welcome to Newsday on the BBC World Service. We're really clever. Jason.
Sri Lanka's revolution. First, they stormed with panic. Now the president has fled the country. We'll be hearing from the capital, Colombo.
He fled on a military jet with members of his family. President's brother, Basil Rajapaksa, former finance minister, also left the country.
Joe Biden makes his first trip to Israel as US president. Can he make a breakthrough in the peace process?
The UN says at least 20 people have been killed and dozens more abducted over the last few days in the east of the Democratic Republic of Congo.
And the speech, remember, one of the most influential bands of all time, the godfathers of electronic music, Kraftwerk.
To me, Autobahn was just a German folk song.
But more after the latest world news. Hello, I'm Chris Berry with the BBC News. Sri Lanka's President Gotabaya Rajapaksa has fled the country with members of his family following months of mass protests over the island's economic crisis. His military jet has landed in the Maldives, although some reports contradict that, and Basil Raja reports.
I'm at the main protest site here in Colombo, in Goldface, where still hundreds of people are coming, and now they are waking up to the new reality that President Gotabaya Rajapaksa is not in the country. And this is a huge victory for this protest movement. They have been protesting for months against the government, saying the president and the ministers mismanage the economy. When the news broke out about President Rajapaksa left the country by a special military plane, there was a lot of jubilation here.
Ukrainian authorities say they're increasing the export of grain through formerly disused ports and canals on the Danube River Delta between Ukraine and Romania. Ukraine's recapture of the Lecture of Snake Island in the Black Sea means it's now safe for ships to pick up grain from the small delta ports of Greni and Ismail and ship it on to the markets. 4 men have been arrested in London as part of an investigation into what's been called the horrific smuggling of migrants into Britain. The UK's National Crime Agency said an organised gang was bringing people into the country in lorries. Simon Jones reports. The international investigation began in 2019, when more than 30 migrants were found in the backs of lorries in France and the Netherlands. 2 drivers were jailed. But the police continue to monitor other alleged members of the gang. Officers fitted tracking devices onto lorries heading to the UK, which have been broken into so migrants could be stowed away on board. Now a man accused of being a senior member of the group has been arrested in East London on suspicion of conspiring to facilitate illegal immigration. 3 other men were arrested. Twitter says it's suing Elon Musk in an attempt to force the completion of his $44 billion deal to buy the social media giant. On Friday, the Tesla chief announced he was retracting his offer because he was not given information about the number of fake and spam accounts on the platform. For the latest, here's James Clayton.
Twitter says that under 5% of everyone on Twitter is a fake account, is a bot, it's sometimes a spam account. It tries to deal with these spam accounts because it takes about 1 million of these accounts a day, but it does have a problem. It's always been posting some transparent stuff. What Elon Musk said is, you haven't supplied enough evidence to me that it is under 5%, maybe it's 20%, maybe it's 50% as a result of that. You have broken your contract.
This is the latest world news from the BBC. The United Nations says more than 20 people have been killed and thousands more abducted in multiple attacks in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The dead include children and at least 12 patients who were found alive at a church clinic in the North Kivu province, where intentions against rebels continued. Ivory Coast has accused Mali of unjustly detaining 49 of its soldiers and has called for them to be released. Mali's military government seized the men at Bamako Airport on Sunday, calling them mercenaries. but the Ivorian authorities say none were carrying weapons and that they went to Mali to join UN peacekeeping operations there. The British athletics champion Mo Farah says he's relieved the government in London has said it will take no action over his citizenship after he revealed in a BBC documentary that he was brought to the UK illegally as a boy and forced to work as a domestic servant.